Hey guys, it's me Andrea. So today we're gonna be playing Toka Boca. Sorry for the background noise. We're just at a store and I'm just recording this now. So let's get this started with the cold morning routine and a new family. This is from my phone, guys. So yeah, 3, 2. Why is it up? Oh my gosh, it's so early. Oh my gosh, I don't want to wake up. I don't want to wake up so bad. I know. Me too. So wake up. Yep. I'm so tired. Yeah, and I want to work. Me neither. Get ready for my bed. I guess I'm gonna change. Yeah, me too. Um, there's this one. Tobias. Okay. I think I'm ready. That was quick. Yeah. Oh my god. I'll just wear this today. Okay, that should be perfect. I should wake up to Alice. Alice, wake up. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired. I feel I know that I didn't get enough sleep. Me neither. We're gonna wake up Grace. Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell you their names. The mother is Emily. This is Alice, baby Alice. Also, their family name is Marcus, and this is what did I name again? Nathan. Yeah, Nathan. This is Grace, the adopted one, because I love it. And this is Lucas. They're twins. These two are twins. And this is Ethan. This is Jenny, the upstairs one, the oldest one. It's a girl. She's up the third floor. Her name is Ashley. Okay, go wake up Grace, and you go downstairs now. Okay. I'm just going for the elevator. Okay. Okay, Grace. Grace. Ethan, Lucas, please wake up now. What? What? It's time to wake up. Yay! It's time to wake up. This is the first time I ever seen a kid that loves to wake up and go to school. Well, me too. I was young, but still. Yay! I never been to school when I was with my real parents. Okay. I'll be like, I will get my bag of the change. I know, and I love orange. Okay, go wake up your other siblings. Okay, I'm gonna change it to this. Perfect. Also, I don't have the character creator thingy, so that's why I'm using other characters. Okay. Ethan, look, it's time to wake up. Time to wake up. Mommy said that. What? What? Time to wake up. I know. Fine. Oh. Why? Fine. Fine, we'll wake up. I'll get my glasses. Come on. Don't be sad. Okay, I got my bag. I guess I got my bag soon. I got my bag too. Perfect. The right twist down. Okay, let's get ready. Leave the way hand. Ready. Okay, got my bag. I got my bag. Okay, let's go now. Yeah. Hey, mommy. Hey, mommy. I'll go wake up your sister, Jenny. Knocks at the door. Jenny, time to wake up. Jenny! Keep open this door. Okay, coming in. Okay, Jenny, time to wake up. I don't wanna wake up, Mom. It's school. Come on. Tomorrow we're gonna. Come on. Fine. I guess so, but be careful with Ashley. She is very grumpy for waking up because I heard her talking last night when you were asleep. Oh, okay. Sorry for the noises, guys. Come on, it's couple minutes here. You're so cute. Okay, go get out. Jeez. Wait for you. Wait for you in the elevator. Hey, Mom. Hey. I'll wear this one. My bag ready. Also, I don't have the school thingy, like a orchestra tie or the school. Okay, now let's go to the third floor together. Okay, Mom. Also, this is from my phone, not my tablet. The tablet has no items. Some for free ones. And then, but my phone has two houses, three houses there for the free. So let's see. So let's try. So I can see. Okay, guys, be quiet. Oh, let's close the door. Ashley, Ashley, wake up. It's time for school. Mom, I don't wanna wake up. Just stay out. Mom, you're late. Fine, breathe. Fine. Fine, jeez. Ugh, it's annoying. Don't talk to me, young lady. Ugh, fine. Just get out the change. Okay, honey. Can't believe Mom just moved me off that. Oh, she's so annoying. No, that looks weird. This? That looks okay. Oh yeah, nah, that should be okay. I just get my bag. I know how to drive, so Mom just can not drive to school, which is gonna be so late. Gosh. Here's my stamp. I'm just gonna bring that too, I guess. Gosh, Mom is so late. Why is everyone's here? Because we're gonna go down. Mom, can you Jenny go ahead? Like go first. Sure, honey. guys. Bye then. Bye. Bye. I'm out. Okay. Oh yeah, guys. If you see like a character holding money here, that's the money that they paid for the mother or something. It doesn't matter. Okay, I can make you guys a quick breakfast, and you can just guys sit in the couch while the little ones can be in the table. Okay, put my bag down, put you down. Down, it's cooling. And make a quick breakfast. Breakfast. Oh my god. What? Okay, so sorry.
Open lang ako ng Maya application, sir. Sir, yung subject for approval pa po, ha? Or at least ipa-wait list na muna yung name, sir, sa priority.
Separate na pala yung card.
Opo.
Iba rin yung Maya credit mo, naman siya.
Yes po. Iba din yung credit card, iba din yung Maya card.
Pero itong hindi na ito magagamit na.
Yung membership.
Perfect.
Ito ba kami naman?
Other cards, sir. Credit card, apply now.
Okay, perfect. I'm just gonna hit it up.
Pakala ko, sir.
I'm so sorry for the background noises.
Sir, ito yung card ID number sa ilalim ng name.
Yeah, but I'm set this go.
Next po. Yun, sir, bilang ko ng information ng tayo for the credit card. Malalaman natin right after natin mag-fill ang information ng credit card.
Oh, looks like it's cooked already. Okay, here's your guys' breakfast. Thanks, Mom. Okay, I'm gonna cook you guys' breakfast.
Kaliit na ano mo?
Yung pa-apply din sa plan, di ba?
Okay, I'm gonna cook breakfast with the twins and the adopted and the Grace.
Ano yan? Cross? Lingo? Ha? Nasa plan ako. Ayan lang mga lingo. Left yan o cross? Cross kasi 50. More or less. Hindi ko manatansyan eh.
Guys, what do you want?
Hindi, siya sa may
Milk
may
or just lemonade? Milk,
Okay.
they all say milk. Okay, please. I don't know guys if you can hear me or not. If you do, thank Allah.
25 kilo.
But let's go start with the room. Let's go.
Okay.
My voice is hello, that's why. Okay, put some trash. And then I'm just gonna put it. Okay, you guys want to eat? I'm just gonna feed this. Okay, Mom.
So, double sword.
Let her eat.
Double sword.
She ate the leftovers. Okay, we're done eating now. Yeah. Anyway, we should put it on dishwasher. Yeah, for that. Just actually they all drink now. Now, first the other plates. Oh my gosh, where's the other plate? I can't see. so
Pero hindi lang number sa kwan. Sa Maya yung isa.
okay. I think you guys are ready for school. It's actually 8 breakfast. Okay, come on guys. We're gonna go now. Yeah, we're gonna go. Bye mom.
Call ba yan? Pwede na call yun.
Bye mom. Bye mom.
965.
Ito ba ng maya mo?
Wave ko.
Tama pala. Hindi kasi pala yun.
Okay guys, come on.
Nag-submit natin.
Okay.
Sige, huwag ka dyan, Benet.
Saan ba ako?
Upo mo na. Pamuntay papa, no?
Saan na nila record ako? Naka po.
Ma'am, 30,000.
Naka po. Naka sa record.
Wala man yan, card ID number or anything. Pwede na akong mag-gamit for scammer. Mas mabuting nag-ask ko na ng permission. Wait na ma'am. Ikayin mo na natin yung
Okay.
Sige, balik ko na lang.
Still.
Ito na lang.
Hi kids. Happy ma. Wait, ito diba?
Then, I'll get name and number is okay lang. So, explain ko ma'am, yung card user po darating after 1 to 2 weeks dun sa delivery address na nilagay nyo. And then ma'am, yung 30,000 pwede yung gamitin online transaction. Pag nag-click kayo here, online transaction,
Now we're just gonna go down.
pwede mong gamitin online booking like sa flights, hotel, pagkain, food, bata yung habang wala pa
Okay.
Pag dumating yung card ma'am, i-activate mo na bago gamitin. Click nyo lang itong
That's the end of the roleplay guys. Goodbye.
Pero card ID number yung nasa likod ng credit.
Sorry for the background noises.
Iba yung CCTV